Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Tunkara. Now we are going to discuss the Juggan Khan's case on professional negligence. In the class, I told you the brief details of the case. So you can read the case as Juggan Khan versus State of Madhura Pradesh, 1965. Juggan Khan is the appellant in this case. Actually, he was convicted under Section 304, Part 2 of the Indian Penal Code. So, against the conviction, he has appealed to the higher court. That is, the matter came to the Supreme Court, Apex Court. Basically, Juggan Khan is a homeopath or homeopathic practitioner. Right. The victim, that is Srimati Devji, who is aged about 20 years and who was suffering from the guinea worm, Telugulo Nara Purugu antaru. So guinea worm, she approached him and she wanted treatment for the guinea worm. Then for this he has given or the accused administered 24 drops of stramonium, maybe tincture, plus a leaf of Datura to the patient. Here the important point. The accused, that is Juggan Khan, the homeopath, he had not studied the effect of such substance being administered to a human being. Because the poisonous effect, normally we know that Datura, ummetta, it has got a poisonous effect. Of course, here the poisonous effect of Datura leaf was not satisfactorily established by the prosecution. But the non-study or the combination of the so-called stramonium with Datura, which are both poisonous and which had affected the patient, this was not studied properly by the accused person, by the appellant, Dr. Juggan Khan. So this is what is held as negligence. No doubt, I told you that this man was held under Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, that is committing murder of Srimati Devji. Since the poisonous effect of the Datura leaves was not properly established, then the charge under Section 302 has been altered to Section 304 Part 2 of the Indian Penal Code. That is, the court thought that it is not a murder, it is only a culpable homicide because he doesn't have any intention. His intention is only to give the drug, that's all. He did not intend to kill her. Right. So please remember, the court exonerated. However, on a finding, they have taken the experts' evidence on a finding that stramonium and Datura leaves were poisonous. And in no system of medicine except Ayurveda, I believe, the Datura leaf was given as a cure for guinea worm. Of course, in Ayurveda, in some places they give the Datura leaf, but in other system of medicine, they don't prescribe Datura as a cure for the guinea worm. So please remember. So here, since the accuser, that is Dr. Juggan Khan, right? So since he has acted in a negligent way, so he has acted in a rash or negligent way, you can say, yes. So therefore, in that background, the inference of the court is that, please remember, the people or the doctor who administers a medicine known to him or known to be used only in a particular branch of medicine, definitely if he uses the same, it declares that he has knowledge of that branch of science, and if he does not possess that knowledge, it is treated as a negligence. So please remember, normally Datura leaf will be given by Ayurvedic medicine. He is only homeopath. So as a homeopath, he should have given that lavanam or something. Normally they give some tablets or pills like that. But he should not have given this. So since he has taken the Ayurveda medicine into his fold, and since he had not studied the effect of stramonium and Datura leaves, so ultimately the death of the woman who is just aged 20 years has taken place. Therefore, he is criminally held liable. Now, of course, not under section 302 of the murder case, but even under section 304 part 2 of the Indian Penal Code, he was punished. So the criminal aspect is otherwise. Here you have to note that is there negligence on the part of the doctor or not. In this connection, you have to know all these points. So as a professional, the doctor should think that whether he can take up the case or not. First point. Second point, what type of drug he has to give. Third point, whether he can administer the drug in a proper way or not. Not only prescribing, administering the drug is an important problem. And if so, whether he has taken reasonable care in administering the medicine. That means has he waited or has been present near the patient. This also we have to see. If at all any of these things are not present, then definitely it is taken as a case of medical negligence. That is professional negligence. So very good case. So please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.